Hello, welcome to Mercyhurst Online Tutorials. This session we will be discussing plagiarism. First, let's review what the University Handbook says about academic honesty. Please see the University Catalog for more details on academic dishonesty. Why do students plagiarize? The number one reason students plagiarize is that they just don't have the time. It is important to begin your research early. Make sure you have enough time to collect valuable resources, analyze those resources, and also have time to write 2 or 3 drafts before submitting your paper. The second reason students plagiarize is they lack research skills. Some students come to college without ever having to do formal writing. They struggle to get started because they don't know where to find information. If you feel you are one of these students, don't hesitate to contact the library for help. A third reason students plagiarize is that they take careless notes. It is important to stay organized. When it comes time to write your paper in bibliography, you won't need to search again for source information. We suggest you write down the citation information first, then any notes you pull from that source. This way, it is all in one place. Make sure to collect page numbers as well. Lastly, some students just don't understand what a citation is or how to do them. If you find yourself having trouble, ask for help. Knowing how to format your citations is a key part of academic success. We use quotations when copying word for word. Quotations can give supporting evidence to the topic of your paper. You can also use block format for longer quotations. These require additional formatting. Make sure to consult style manuals for best practices. Paraphrasing. According to Purdue OWL, paraphrasing involves putting a passage from source material into your own words. A paraphrase must also be attributed to the original source. Paraphrase material is usually shorter than the original passage, taking a somewhat broader segment of the source and condensing it slightly. This was a direct quote from Purdue OWL's website, which is why we put it in quotation marks. Below, we have paraphrased the same quote. Paraphrasing is the process of reiterating ideas from an original source but using tone that is familiar to you. Paraphrasing pulls out main ideas from longer text and still requires a full citation. Works cited, references, bibliography. These terms are synonymous. You may come across these terms depending on which classes you take. Your citations give credit where credit is due. They provide authority to the information in your text. Citations also connect the reader to previous research. Never turn in a paper without cited resources. If you are caught plagiarizing, you will fail your assignment and most often the class. You can even be expelled from campus. This has been a short presentation on plagiarism. Thank you for checking out Mercyhurst Online Library Tutorials. If you have questions or concerns, please contact us in the library.